Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mariola. Today I'm actually going to be reviewing a product I was sent over, but before I say anything, as you saw from the title of the video, I'm going to be reviewing something that has to do with periods. So this video is going to be a very honest review. I'm going to be talking about my experience and it's going to get very TMI and personal in certain aspects. So if that's something that you're not interested in watching, I am giving you the opportunity to exit out of this video right now. Okay, I'm gonna assume that whoever stayed is actually interested in knowing about this experience and the product, so let's get into it. So the company HighOh sent over this period starter pack, and it comes, I already took 2 of them out, but I wanted to show you guys, it is 6 sanitary pads and they're all reusable. They're super soft, so it's really nice. And it also came with this waterproof bag where you can take them with you. And they sent me over this cute little slip that gives you 10% off. I will add the discount code below and tell you a little bit about the company. So they said that they are 2 sisters that come from a poor financial background. Their frequent battles with poverty in their childhood have amplified their passion to help women from all around the world meet their needs in a cost-effective way, anytime, anywhere. And I must totally agree. I despise the fact that every time it is period time, I have to go buy more pads. Usually I can go to maximum 3 months without buying anything because I buy in bulk, but it is very annoying to keep spending money on something. And I've always been super intrigued with reusable pads as well as the period underwear that different companies have, as well as HighOh. So I'm really pumped to try these out. This is the first time ever that I'm actually excited to get my period, so that's telling you something. Here is a visual of the product. As I said, this is super soft. I do not know what this type of fabric is called, but it is really soft. They do say to hand wash it before you use them and then obviously air dry them out. And this is the bag. You can see the name of the company, HighOh, and it has these 2 clasps, so if you want it kind of loose and a little bit tighter. So as I said, they came with 6 of these and then this reusable pack. I'm supposed to be getting my period any day now, so I'm going to take you guys on my journey this whole week. And as I said, it might get a little bit personal, a little bit TMI, but honestly, my flow is very weird. It starts out really soft and then it gets very intense. And over the years, I've had very unpleasant experiences where I've had to buy really long pads. So already looking at this, I'm a little nervous because by day 2 or 3 I need to get pads that are like maybe this long. We will see. I'll try to use them as much as I can, so I will take you along this week as I try them out, and then at the end of the week I'll give you my final thoughts. So let's get into it. Can you believe my day 1 of my period was actually at work? It was 4:05 p.m. and I was at work. I decided to go to the bathroom, but thank goodness I actually brought it with me, so I was able to change in the bathroom real quick, and I officially started my first day of the period while I was on the job. And then when I got home, I worked out and suffered no issues of it moving or spillage, so it was a great first day. Okay, so it is the next day. I woke up around 10 a.m. and I've been studying. Haven't been doing a lot, honestly. I've just been sitting on the couch and studying. But I wanted to let you guys know that last night after I worked out, I think I showered like around 8:30, something like that. And I put a new pad on. I washed the other one since I said the flow was still really light. I didn't see much happening. But then I slept with the same pad, and literally right now I just had to change 12 p.m. just because I usually change at a specific amount of times when I know how heavy my flow is. And I have to say, I was genuinely shocked because as you can see, I'm going to show you, this is really dark. So honestly, sometimes I don't really notice. This is a clean one, by the way. I don't notice when I'm bleeding too much when I'm wearing this because it's not that noticeable unless I get, sorry TMI, really heavy blood clots. That's when I notice them. So as I was washing this one that I just used for the last couple of hours, the amount, again, TMI, amount of blood that came out, I was like, oh my God. I was thinking that I was barely bleeding onto the pad because, as I said, I can't see it because of the darkness. It was a lot. So hand washing it, I was there for a solid maybe 2 minutes and I kept squeezing and more came out, and I would keep adding more soap and squeezing and more came out. So I'm genuinely shocked at the fact that it held so much and that it has not spilled anywhere. So a couple hours later, same place. Well, I knew it was gonna happen. So spillage has officially occurred. My flow is getting insanely heavy right now, so I think I'm getting to the peak of the heaviest. So unfortunately, I had to change underwear and I had to change to an actual pad that's way longer. I think honestly, if they were able to do different sizes instead of same one and they were to do a longer one, I think I wouldn't be having this problem right now because the actual pad itself is holding a lot of liquid. It's just when I sit down and I move, the length in the back is what I need. So for now, I think for today and tomorrow, I am going to be using regular pads, but if I switch back, I will let you know. But I will definitely be using it for the last couple of days where the flow is super light. But for now, I'm switching back. So I'm heading out on a double date and I do not want to tempt the period gods in any way, so I'm going to be wearing my regular long pads, give the HighOh ones a break, and then tomorrow, hopefully, if my flow has gone down a little bit, I'll continue using them, but I will have no further updates until tomorrow. It is day 3 of my period and unfortunately it's still a heavy flow, so today I went to work all day from 9 to 6 and I just got home. It's like 7:30 and I've been wearing my long overnight pads, but I'm hoping tomorrow I can go back to normal and start using the product, so I will see you tomorrow. We are back to our regularly scheduled program. It is day 4. Actually, last night after I got home and I took a shower, I noticed my flow was going down, so I decided to put back on the HighOh Starter Period Pack, which is basically the reusable pads, and I slept with them till I woke up this morning to work from home. So it is 10:30 right now, so 9 a.m. I still have the same pad on because obviously the flow has gone down, no spillage, so we're back and again loving it. So let's see, today is a super busy day and I'm going to be bringing them along with me and see how it goes, so I will be updating you as the day goes. Remember how I said it was going to be a busy day? It has begun. I am out of breath because I am running so late to my meeting. I am now leaving the house at the time I wanted to be getting there, so I had to work till 12 and then now I have a meeting from 1 to 4:30 at my other job, and then I have to finish working at my other job from 5 to 6, and then I'm going out for drinks. So I'm currently wearing obviously a different one, but I'm wearing the reusable pad right now and I'm gonna go do all those things, so I will keep you updated. But so far the flow is so low that I hope and I pray that I don't have any problems, but we shall see. Okay, so the meeting is done. It is 4:30 right now and I just made it to my school because I have to leave a couple things and finish working my other job. So far everything is great. My flow is so low right now and I have not had any spillage. I haven't even been worried because this is doing its job and holding everything. It's not moving around, so it's going great. 6 p.m. done working. Now I'm going out for dinner and drinks with, I can't even speak. Now I'm going out for dinner and drinks with a couple people. So I am pumped to go eat because I am starving. I haven't really eaten much today since you've seen it's been so busy, but I'm proud to say and happy to say that everything is going phenomenally with the pad. Nothing crazy is going down there and no spillage. We are still looking great and it's already been over, I left the house around 12:30, so it's been about 6 hours. Doing great. It is 11 p.m. and I just made it home and I wanted to say that everything went great. No spillage, didn't have to change anything, so it was a great day and a great night. And tomorrow I have another busy day out of the house, so I will keep you updated, but then probably by Sunday I should be done and I'll give you my final thoughts. Day 5 of my period and I think this is my last day because my flow is almost non-existent, but I am heading out again to do something for my job and I will be back later during the day. So I'm going to test it out for this final day and when I come back I will give you my final thoughts. But this morning I woke up early, I worked out, again no issues, so going great so far. All right, I am back home from a busy week and I will give you guys my final thoughts on this product. I want to thank HighOh so much for sending these over because I absolutely loved them. As I said, I think I said most of my thoughts throughout the week, but basically I really enjoyed it. I actually have a makeup remover that's about the same fabric, so if you have it, a reusable makeup remover. So I love that this is also reusable, about the same fabric, so it's super soft. I never suffered any discomfort. I never suffered any like moving of the pad itself, the buttons that it has, and I always put it in the smaller button, not the one that makes it tighter. I never had an issue, it never moved around. I did say that I had some spillage issues on my days where I had a heavy flow, but like I said, maybe this is not the issue for a lot of people. I know a lot of people have low flows at all times. That's not me. I have 2 days in between where they are crazy. So I wish they were longer, but I actually did check and their website does have an overnight pads that are also reusable. So you best believe I'm going to order those right now so that way I can completely get off pads, because what I was gonna say originally is that at the moment I'm going to be using it when I have my light flows, and then when I have heavy flows go back to my overnight ones. But now that I know that they exist, I'm gonna order them. I don't know if I'll do an update. I'll probably just pin a comment on this video telling you guys how that goes, but I am pumped. You can check them out on Amazon. They also have a website. I'll make sure to link everything down below, as well as add a discount code so you can get 10% off your purchase. I definitely recommend you trying them, and if you do try them, let me know down below in the comments what you thought, because I honestly enjoyed my experience a lot. Again, HighOh, thank you so much for sending them over. I enjoyed them a lot, and I will try out your other products as well, because I really want to try those period underwear, because I'm just over everything, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.